Welcome to MAPOG. Today we are leveraging Attribute Join tool to merge population and literacy rate datasets. We'll explore how Attribute Join can seamlessly integrate two datasets, providing comprehensive insights. Literacy rate and population data are closely related as they provide insights into the educational landscape of a region. By merging these datasets, we can understand the distribution of literacy levels within different population groups. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, open MAPOG Map Analysis interface. Click on Add Upload and select the option to upload your Excel CSV files containing population and literacy rate data. Browse and upload the datasets, assigning the latitude and longitude values to accurately plot the data on the map, then click Publish. Repeat the same process for the next dataset. Once both datasets are uploaded, click on Analyze Data. Select Attribute Join to begin the attribute joining process. First choose Target Feature. Then, select the target attribute that corresponds to the common attribute, such as state and UT. Choose Joining Feature. Select the joining attribute same as target attribute. Then, select New Data to create a new layer with the merged dataset. Click on Keep All Target Feature. Now, choose Join Operation as 1-to-1. Select the field to join the datasets. Now, click Submit. Now, a new layer is opened with the merged dataset. To view the database, go to the Action button. Choose Show Data Table. Now, you can see the new database where the two datasets are merged. This merged dataset helps education sector in identifying areas with low literacy rates and targeting interventions to improve education outcomes. Attribute Join with MAPOG provides a powerful means to integrate and analyze disparate datasets. By merging population and literacy rate data based on a common attribute like state and UT, we can gain valuable insights into education levels within a population. This information is crucial for decision-making processes, ultimately leading to more informed decisions and better outcomes for society as a whole. Thanks for watching. Explore MAPOG, and for further query contact us at support@mapog.com.